Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to transform your video on the Premiere Rush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below if you want to insert a new video or photo that you want to edit, or you will be able to select from the videos that you have already inserted to this section. But now it is loading, so we need to wait a few seconds. Now you should find this transform button down below, where you can fill your video, fit it, position it by using this scale, rotate it. As you can see, you need to use this scale as well. You can select its opacity on the same scale, flip it horizontally and vertically, and you have the chance to crop it to the top, crop the bottom, crop the left side by using the scale, crop the right side, edge feeder. And if you would like to reset all of these functions to the default option, tap on the reset button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.